Two leading contract mustering crews in the top end, Tick Everett's TMAC Rural and Brett and Jody Wild of Wild Contracting, were contracted on separate occasions to Litchfield Station, where they were processing background cattle for live export. These crews consisted of 6 people processing cattle through a manual crush. Cattle were to have old tags removed and 2 buffalo fly tags and an ID tag inserted, 2 vaccinations, 1 HGP and HGP mark, backlined, cross-branded and some animals dehorned. In a manual crush, 6 people employed at a rate of $400 per day equals $2,400 of wages per day. In a manual crush, the team could process 600 head per day at a total cost per head of $4. A silencer hydraulic crush was installed, replacing the manual crush. No other changes were made to the yards. Using the silencer, the same crew were able to achieve 1,300 head in a day, increasing productivity and costing $1.84 per head. Now, comparing the processing costs in a silencer crush, the silencer saved $2.16 of processing costs per head and increased staff productivity by $2,808 per day. When applied to their investment costs of $39,300, the return on investment meant the silencer crush fully paid for itself in only 14 processing days. Considering the other outstanding benefits of the silencer, people and cattle injuries are reduced to nil. Vaccine wastage is significantly reduced due to cattle being correctly and comfortably restrained. The patented noise reduction system allows the silencer to live up to its name, producing no banging and clanging during processing, and improve job satisfaction of the crew. Contact us on 1300 795 607 or email us at inquiry@catagra.com to see how the silencer can work for you.